The 5 gym exercises you are probably doing wrong. Have you ever wondered if you're doing certain exercises correctly at the gym? If so, this video is just for you. You might not even know it, but you may be performing some exercises completely wrong. But hey, there's good news. You can successfully find out if you're making these mistakes and correct them after watching this video. We'll go through multiple exercises that most people are doing wrong and go through each individual one to try to correct them. Remember, performing these exercises wrong can have a massive effect in muscle gains, as your form will be completely off due to poor lifting techniques. If anything in our video does help you, please do leave a like on it. Or if you think that we've missed a key point, let us know in the comments down below. Anyway, let's check the exercises out. Firstly, the bench press. Many people do the bench press completely wrong, which is a big reason people see low to no pec gains whatsoever after working out for a while. The first problem is that most people bring the bar halfway down to then lift it back up, which essentially means you're doing half reps. The cause of this is either you don't know how to perform the correct bench press movement or you're lifting way too heavy. Remember, you want to bring the bar down to your chest slightly above your nipples, but not actually touching them. This makes sure that the pec is still under tension and is at its full stretch. Then, with explosive power, lift the bar upwards. Secondly, squats. The squat is another movement done incorrectly which can cause serious injuries, so make sure to pay close attention. When new gym users or simply inexperienced squatters perform this exercise, they tend to have a rounded spine. This ultimately causes a lot of stress on your lower back due to the weight being unevenly balanced. So, next time you squat, make sure your back is as straight as possible. A simple trick to not bending your back is to focus on something just above your eye line while going through the movement. Furthermore, make sure your knees bend at a 90-degree angle, as this ensures you're performing the squat with full motion and not half squatting, which would result in a loss of gains. Thirdly, deadlifting. Just like the squat, the deadlift can be dangerous if not performed correctly. Some problems we see when people lift the bar for a deadlift is poor body positioning and rounding of the back again. When performing the deadlift, make sure your legs are shoulder width apart and you have an overhand and underhand grip. Secondly, when lifting the weight, have a slight bend on the knee so you're not lifting the weight with locked knees. Additionally, keep your back straight and look up. It's important to keep the back muscles tense when lifting the weight throughout the movement. Bicep curls. A lot of people try to curl too much heavy weight on a bicep curl to impress their friends at the gym. Lifting too heavy will sacrifice your form when lifting, which results in a loss of gains. Start with a comfortable weight and begin the curling motion. Make sure you feel the tension throughout the curl. Once you're at the top of the curl, squeeze the biceps for a few seconds. This has great results long term in growing bigger biceps. Finally, tricep dips. Tricep dips are a great exercise in getting bigger and stronger triceps. However, you may be doing it wrong, which is probably affecting your progression. Most people, when performing the tricep dip, only bend the elbow around 30 to 40 degrees. To gain the most out of the tricep dip, you must flex the elbow so it is parallel to the floor, giving that 90-degree bend. This means you're performing the exercise with a full range of motion and causing the precise tension required in growing your tricep muscles. Next time you perform the tricep dip, slightly lean forward and you should be able to perform the exercise perfectly. And that's it. Those are the 5 gym exercises you are probably doing wrong. Now it's up to you to implement the techniques discussed in this video into your daily routine. If you're also interested in learning about the 5 exercises all men should avoid, then click the video on screen now. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more informative fitness videos, subscribe to the channel.